Using Monday.com effectively involves optimizing its features for project management, team collaboration, and workflow automation. Here's how to make the most out of Monday.com. Customize boards. Create boards tailored to your projects or workflows. Customize columns to represent different stages, tasks, or data types relevant to your project. Utilize templates. Take advantage of Monday.com's pre-built templates for various project types or use cases. Templates offer ready-to-use structures and workflows that can be customized to fit your needs. Assign owners and due dates. Assign tasks to team members and set due dates to ensure accountability and track progress. Utilize tags and color coding to prioritize tasks and visualize workload. Automate workflows. Use automation features to streamline repetitive tasks and workflows. Set up automations for task assignments, status changes, notifications, and more to save time and reduce manual effort. Integrate with other tools. Integrate Monday.com with your favorite tools and platforms such as Slack, Google Drive, or Microsoft Teams. Sync data across systems and streamline communication and collaboration. Collaborate in real time. Encourage team collaboration by using comments, mentions, and file attachments within tasks. Keep all project-related communications centralized and accessible to team members. Track progress with dashboards. Utilize dashboards to visualize project progress, track key metrics, and monitor team performance. Customize dashboards with widgets and charts to gain insights into project health and status. Regularly review and update. Conduct regular reviews of boards and workflows with your team to assess progress, identify bottlenecks, and make necessary adjustments to optimize efficiency and productivity.